Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I'm going to look at the new Amazon Prime app for Windows 10 that has just been released. So I've already signed into the app and you just need to sign in with your Amazon username and password, and then you get access to all the content that you would have on the Amazon Prime app or the Amazon Prime website. So you can do the usual stuff, you can browse through the collections, you can watch trailers, and you can purchase, and you can sign up to Amazon Prime. If it's a video, if it's something like a movie or a TV that you can buy that through here as well. So you can choose a rent option or your purchase option or whatever. Something else it's got, which is probably worth downloading the app for, is if you're an Amazon Prime user, is the offline support. So if you go into your purchase content or content that you've got available to you, you can set it to download, and then once you download, you can see the purchase content on there. So that's a big advantage over the standard desktop app. One of the options you've got on here is in the settings, is you can choose your quality of the download for the video. So obviously the smaller size, the reduced quality, and the larger size, the better quality. So you get to choose that, and you can also say whether it will use mobile data. So if you've got a SIM card in your Windows PC, data enabled device, then you can choose to block that as well. So you can see the user interface when you're playing an episode or a film or a TV show. You've got the use transport controls, you've got the closed caption options, volume control, and the full screen option as well. Like I said, this will play offline as well now. You've also got things like channels on here, as well as all the store content as well. So overall, it's an improvement on over in the web version, and it's nice to have a dedicated Windows app for it, and with offline playback as well. So you can get this directly from the Microsoft Store. I'll include a link with thedigitallife.com, the post that goes with this. Thanks for watching this video.